Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some unforgettable hair transformations. So if you have been thinking of switching up your boring strands and doing something major with your hair this season, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to show it some love, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful burgundy hair color change that we're seeing here with the curly strands. Such a gorgeous hairstyle idea. And then we see someone with long black hair. And she shakes things up with one of my personal favorite hair color trends that we are seeing this season, and that is, of course, copper. Now, this is an absolutely beautiful hair color change, especially for the fall and winter season. I absolutely adore it. Now, if this is a hair color trend that you want to try out, I feature it a lot on this channel. You want to make sure that you can go to a stylist that knows how to work it with your complexion. That's key to pulling off and achieving this look. But it definitely goes with numerous skin tones and complexions. You just have to make sure you know your stylist and that they know how to work with it against your complexion. Next up, we have someone with an asymmetrical pixie style. Looks like she has a hint of burgundy with the color going here as well. Now, if you are thinking of going red, you can do so with more of the softer color variations that we are seeing this fall season, such as with this burgundy or the cherry cola red color trend. Many different ways that you can pull off red hair without going too bold. So the stylist here does a nice reshaping of this pixie, giving her a bit of a trim. And we're seeing so many different variations with that asymmetrical pixie look. It really features the hair longer on one side and shorter on the other. Stylist is doing a nice tapered nape area here. Beautiful shaping. And as the hair dries, we can really see that burgundy shade coming through. Oh, wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. I really like the color. So pretty. Very nice. I am loving the cuts and the color combination for this transformation. Beautifully done. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out the rest of these unforgettable hair transformations.